if you have a payment plan for the all-in-one core plus foot, you can make a payment, and as long as $250 of the deposit has been received, then the manuals get shipped out right away. Now, there isn't a start date with the all-in-one. When I shift, and the course is being divided into two, so it's going to come as soon as I run out of these manuals, because they're being discontinued, and it's being changed, and so that you'll have a core manual and then you'll have a foot manual. Two separate things. At that point, with two separate courses, tuition has to be received in full in order for you to participate in that. But today, you still got access to the all-in-one foot course. That's the one that if you put your payment in, then I ship you the manual and you get started anytime. Yeah, bye for now.